Have you been thinking about buying a home, but you're waiting for interest rates to go down first? This video is going to show you what the potential cost to you might be if you wait to buy. Let's dive in. So this is the scenario that we're going to look at. So let's say you buy a house today for $1.2 million and you're putting 20% down. Your interest rate is 6.625, which is about right for today's interest rates. So 1.2 million, 6.25%, you buy it today, you deal with the high rates and you do it. Let's say in 2 years from now, the price has appreciated, your home has appreciated 5% a year, which is about the nation average over the past 30 years, is 5% a year. Your house that you bought for $1.2 million is now worth $1,323,000. You've gained a ton of equity in those 2 years. Great, you've gained equity. What happens if you try to buy that same house 2 years from now? Your purchase price is $1,323,000. It's not 1.2, but you are getting a much lower rate, 5.625. That's great, but you're also getting a higher loan amount because your property costs more. And if you refinance that same house you bought 2 years ago, you're still going to have that 5.625% rate. So what's the difference in cost if you buy today and refinance in 2 years versus if you just wait and you wait for rates to go down and you buy in 2 years? Here's the difference. You would be paying $6,800 if you buy now and then refinance in 2 years when rates go down. If you wait for rates to go down, you're going to be paying $7,600. So you're talking almost $1,000 difference a month in your monthly payments by waiting to buy. And that doesn't even include all the equity that you've missed out on with the 5% appreciation a year. Now you might be saying, well, what if home prices don't go up by 5% a year? What if they go up like a very modest amount, or if they're almost flat? Let's say they only go up 2% a year. You're still going to end up ahead. You're still going to gain almost $50,000 of equity if you buy today with our very modest 2% appreciation. And the same scenario with you refining when the rates go down into the fives, your monthly payment's going to be $6,800 versus if you wait for 2 years, that same house is going to cost you almost $50,000 more. You're going to have a higher loan amount, and your monthly payment's $7,200. So you're $400 a month more that you will be paying if you wait to buy. So, between $400 and $1,000 is the scenario that we're looking at here with your monthly payment. So it really can be a big cost to you to wait to buy. And I can run this in all different price ranges and down payments and scenarios. If you'd like me to do this for you, I can. And maybe it makes sense for you to wait and maybe it doesn't, but it really makes a sense to look at the numbers and really understand what the potential cost could be if you wait to buy. If you have any questions about this, totally reach out to me. My name is Jessica Wallace, your Santa Cruz Realtor.